Friends, open PicsArt app. Now tap on plus icon. Now tap on backgrounds, fourth option. Now select the white background, third one. The first step, tap on tools. Tap on crop as usually. Now tap on portrait. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the PNG. The background PNG, simply stretch it and arrange it perfectly in the center like this. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to text, write your model name or your name. Now tap on done, tap on tick. Now tap on up arrow. Now tap on my fonts. Now have to select toy box italic. I will give this font link in the description, you can go and download there. Now tap on colors. Now tap on color and you have to bring this circle to yellow. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now zoom out and bring it to up here. Perfect. Now tap on shadow option. Now tap on position and keep both 100 and 100. Okay, it's perfect. Now tap on adjust and make it 100 and decrease it to around 30. Tap on position and keep it 100. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark and again tap on text. You have to write Instagram model. I will give this font link in the description, you can go and download there. Tap on done, tap on tick and you have to tap on colors and select the black color. Now tap on fonts, up arrow, tap on my fonts and select the same font, toy box italic, and bring it to the center and arrange it perfectly in the center like this. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, you have to go to add photo and select the graphite PNG. Then this is the graphite PNG, simply stretch out like this and arrange it perfectly in the center. Perfect. Now you have to go to blend and you have to make it multiple and arrange in center. Now go to opacity, decrease little opacity to keep it around 50. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the standing pose model image. This standing pose model image, simply stretch out and you have to arrange it in the center here. Perfect. Now tap on shadow option. Now tap on position and make it 100 and keep this 100. Now tap on adjust and make this 100 and next one to around 20. Perfect. Now go to add photo and select the shadow PNG. Bring under the shoes. Perfect. Decrease little bit. Now tap on layers, tap on move down. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the cars PNG. These are the cars PNG. Keep this light PNG aside and you have to arrange this white car. Perfect. And you have to bring this black car and light PNG. Now go to blend and make it screen and keep it here. Perfect. Now tap on this light PNG, go to blend and make it screen and you have to arrange on two sides. First one. Now tap on layers, tap on duplicate and arrange another one here. It is perfect. Now go to add photo and select the cons PNG. Con, we have to arrange, tap on cons, arrange one here, tap on duplicate and arrange another one here. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, we have to go to tools, tap on adjust, give little contrast, clarity little bit, saturation little bit, till highlights, decrease little shadow, tap on tick. The final step, you have to go to effects, tap on tap on effects and scroll it to the left and tap on vignette. Now keep it 100 and fade it around 90. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special tutorial is completed. This is the before and the final output. Now tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.